Hi guys, Willie Bulletman here. As you can tell, I'm at my house now. You're going to be seeing some videos of me and Eagle Eye shooting together at my local gun range here in Manteca. I've already done part 1 I put on YouTube. This is part 2, and there will be a part 3 since this part 2 video is going to be so long. So I'm sorry I have to separate it up, but please watch them all. Give us some thumbs up or some thumb down, either way. But tell your friends to join our sites, Willie Bulletman site and Eagle Eye Shooting site. I appreciate it. Please enjoy the videos and let us know how you think of them. Thanks, guys.
You said this is second notch to the right, second on the way.
So in the scope, there's the
Okay,
main
this
cross.
is Eagle Eye shooting at 300 Win Mag. 300 Win Mag, right?
338 Ultra Mag.
338 Ultra Mag. Got a heavy trigger.
And you said it was to the right a little bit?
Yeah, so the bottom knock, the bottom cross, is if you go to the right of that cross, the tip of that is where the bullet's going to hit.
Gotcha, so okay. So hold over left basically, right?
Yes.
Okay. You got a target out there?
Yep.
Yep, it's only had one shot on it.
Bay 1.
Bay 1, gotcha. This will be fun.
Yeah.
Yep, this will be fun.
Woo!
Yep. Either way,
Alright.
we're still on target.
Okay, guys, this is one's mine and one's Eagle Eye's. Don't know who's who, but I'll take the 8 ring. He can have the 9 ring.
No. You can have the 8 ring. I mean, you can have the 10 ring.
He says I can have the 9 ring. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get to the 300s now. Okay, guys, Willie Bulletman here. I got Victoria right here, my 300 Blackout. I got Eagle Eye shooting his right next to me. So we're gonna pop some rounds off and see what happens. All right, let me turn this little thing on. My camcorder. Get that ready to go. If it wants to turn on. There we go. Come on, camcorder. Come back to life. Okay, where does it gotta go? Okay, there it is right there. It needs something under the front of it. I'll put a casing. I'll see if the casing will work. Let's see. Gotta go farther, or what's it gotta do? Further back? Nope. Let's open this up and see. Is that better? Where is it at? Okay. Having technical difficulties.
Alright, 15.5 grains. H110, really cool. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Should be on paper, hopefully. Find out.
Yeah, you're right, my battery is dead.
Yeah, if you want to, throw it in the charger.
That's okay for now. Come on. Get still. That's why I wanted my tripod for this one.
Yeah.
Well, I'm on it for you if you want to shoot.
Alright, top left. Any impact?
Top left impact, you're at 3 o'clock to the right. You're almost on the middle dot. 2 o'clock to the right.
Yeah.
Nice 3-shot group.
Alright, it's 15.5, so.
Those are my bullets?
Yep.
Yep, right there.
Forgot to get the chronograph.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you got a nice little 4-shot group or 5-shot group.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, these are 15 grain. Let me double check.
Are they you move it over? See,
These
I
are
need to go
15
left.
grains FMJs, 150 grain Hornadies, 15 grains of H110. Okay. All the way up. Shooting left-handed today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what happens. Okay, am I unsafe? I was unsafe. That helps.
Forgot to get the chronograph. Damn it.
Okay, right above it, 12 o'clock. Pretty close. Right next to it. Three-shot group, three-shot hole. Four-shot hole. I just shot 4 rounds, 1 hole. Woo! Yeah, these bullets are shooting.
No way. Those little Sierras I shot
Yep,
yesterday?
those Hornadies. They're Hornadies.
Oh, no way.
Left target.
No way. Wow. Look at that.
4 shots, 1 hole.
Yeah,
Those work.
I'd buy that for $1.
Damn right. I'm gonna buy a new battery for this thing.
I can spend $100. We got a group like that with a 300 blackout.
Yeah. For a 300
Yeah.
blackout, I mean that's just.
Yeah. We'll take you guys up there. You got to check
What's up,
this
buddy?
out.
We're back.
How you doing?
Got a few more hours today.
Now, did you get it due on the pistols?
Yeah, we got in on pistols today.
By the way, yeah.
Okay.
That's what counts. Okay, now I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna go over to these nice, big hollow points, and these are Sierras, 110 grain Sierra hollow points, and it has 18.5 grains of H110.
Yeah, buddy.
So let's see how hot these are gonna be. Yeah. Thanks to Eagle Eye, I got myself a nice Caldwell brass catcher. I copied him on his, because the brass catcher I had went around the front of my handguard, and nah,
I love this thing. It just saves some frustration to picking out your brass.
that's right.
Yeah.
I love it. So far, it got all my brass in it.
All right.
All right, let's see. Bowl closed. Good job. Okay, let's go for the right side target now.
Go ahead. So they're doing low development, so if you don't mind, I can film. Keep the target in the
12 o'clock.
I'm going for the upper left.
upper left. Okay, that's where I just shot. Go ahead. All right, see it right there.
Huh?
Yeah, just right there. Yeah, as I adjust my scope, so go ahead and throw it.
Same hole.
See what that does. Wow. Okay, feeling good. Wow. Okay.
Oh man, that is just incredible. Just incredible. I'm gonna shut you off right now, guys, because I'm gonna be taking you out and showing you to those bullet holes. I'm so happy out of my 300 blackout. Woo! If I can get lead to shoot this way, I'll be one happy man. Okay, guys, we walked down. I got Kenny doing a little low development right there,
Yeah, we're shooting Willie's bullets.
and he's letting another gentleman shoot his rifle, so that's why they're all over. But they're shooting good out of his gun. They're working.
Yep. No more feeding problems.
There's a 150 grain Hornady FMJs.
Check that out.
There's 3 shots, and I pulled one. And over here are 110 grain FMJ hollow points.
Yeah.
4 shots, 5th one there. So I'm super stoked.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
We're getting there with our cast loads, but I'm not sure we get it that tight.
Well, we're trying.
We're trying. We're doing what we can.
We do what we can.
So either way, it's a good plinking round, and man, I'm really happy about seeing that one. That's awesome.
Yeah, especially out of my 300 blackout. I was really worried that it wasn't going to get good groups, but it does.
It's grouping.
It's a grouping. Just look at that, ladies and gentlemen. They look so dangerous. Look at that. Look at that hole. Look at that. This is Eagle Eye Shooter's beautiful 300 blackout he made. Just gorgeous. The Thorson stock. Right now I'm illegal in the state of California because I have a factory grip on it. That's okay though. AR Stoner carbine leaf gas system. AR Stoner pistol link gas system with a red dot. And right now I'm shooting a 6.5 by 24 BSA. That's 25 years old. But Victoria is shooting great. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Okay, I'm going to be shooting these loads that were from Eagle Eye's friend. What bullet are these again?
Those are the RCBS 8085 mold, I believe. It's a 100 and I need to go back to the notes. 135 grain or 140 grain.
18.5
CFE
CF black.
CFE black. So
We're going to see if they, first of all, if they go in the battery, which it did. That's a good sign.
yep.
And we're going to see what they do.
Yep.
Woohoo!
These bullets are gas checked, and they are powder coated with a powder coating gun from my friend Dima.
Yeah. Let me
That
put
was a
these on.
Yeah, that was a 338 Magnum.
That was a 338, people. All right, here we go. $12 right where the other one was.
Looks like it's good.
2 holes together.
Yeah.
Three holes.
No way.
4 holes.
That's CFE black at 18.5.
18.5 CFE black.
Yep. Unfortunately, we don't have the chronograph out right now. I'll have to double check the.
No primer problems at all.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah. We'll shoot this again with the chronograph one day and get some numbers. So.
No problems at all.
So yeah, that looks like I can see it right now. That's all one jagged hole.
Yes, sir. Oh, take a look through the scope.
Okay.
It's the same thing, 12 o'clock.
Wow.
But I got 4 in one hole and 1 by itself.
Yeah, I see that.
I need to put an adapter back here so it's those little plugs.
Okay.
So it keeps me from moving around.
Gotcha. let me just zoom in on mine.
I highly recommend this Colwell brass catcher. Highly recommend it. That thing is nice. Haven't lost a piece of brass yet. Now I'm going to go to 19.5 CF black. CFE black, I think it's called. For some reason, Eagle Eye's chamber just doesn't like these.
A little tight.
It's a little tight on his chamber, but my gun's sucking them up and shooting them, so
Yeah.
Victoria likes them.
Usually we like it tight, but
We like it tight, buddy. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Sorry, ladies. You like it big. We like it tight. But this is a family show, so we got to stop that. Okay, we're in battery.
all right, you guys zoomed in. What's your top target?
You're going to go to the top right?
You got either one, doesn't matter. Let me know. I got it filming.
I'm going to go for the bottom middle.
Joe.
Okay?
Got So both these barrels are AR Stunners. This is a Hardy.
Oh, that one through.
Yeah, that one, it's still working good. I'm pretty happy. This is 50 yards, guys. 50 yards.
That one opened up a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. I think you're, we'll see what happens. I think around 20 grains, you might get something really tight.
You think it'll tighten up?
Yeah, it's gonna tighten up. But, grass looks good, right?
Yeah. No problems at all.
Yeah.
A little dirty, but I almost look like I'm shooting a can on mine.
Yeah. So,
How dirty they are.
So CFE, the CFE series, it's very sooty.
Is it really?
From what I experienced on the 223, it looks like CFE Black's doing the same thing. Dima also did say that it is a little dirty, but it shoots good.
Those are 20.
And I want to put our chronograph out because it's supposed to be doing a hell of a lot faster.
And those are 19 black. I shot 19s already.
Okay, so that was one extra. That's fine. Yeah. Your rifle's feeding it good.
Those are 19 black.
So all those are 19.
That's a 20 again.
Okay.
What are these over here?
Those are H110s.
These are H110s over here?
Yep.
By themselves?
By themselves. So yeah, these are all 19s and these are all 20s. So 20s, and then I went up to 25. So here if you want to try these.
Yeah, we're the 25s.
20.5.
20.5s.
Yeah,
Okay.
those are the hottest ones I made. They're pretty compressed. So
That's all right.
shoot one and see if there's a.
Yeah, I'll load them all up and I'll just shoot one and check the primers.
Yeah. And then I got these. These are gas checks at 16 grains, which are shooting a group a little bit out of buy. See if the gas checks work better.
Sorry, I'm shooting all your friends' bullets.
No, I want you to because I want to see. It's working great, Willie.
Yeah.
I just wish it worked on my rifle.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, my nose is running. Okay, went into battery.
All right.
I'm gonna shoot the top. No, I'll shoot the right one.
Okay.
'Cause I'm afraid the top one I'll be off target. You know, I'm gonna bring the scope down. Okay.
You have a top target?
Down. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot the top middle.
Okay.
I just brought the scope down.
And this is 20.5 grains, right? 20.5 grains. So these are the hottest charge I put. These are pretty compressed. So we'll see what these do.
Still high.
Yeah, it's because your power went up, so you're gonna aim high, or it's gonna hit high. I mean.
Looks fine.
Wow, really?
Looks fine.
That's pretty compressed, dude.
Not a problem at all, buddy. Let's see what I can do. Oh, I'm on safe again. Woo!
It's grouping.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad for a lead bullet.
Yeah, it's doing great, man.
For a stock GI trigger?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to shoot it?
I'll try it.
Go right ahead, buddy.
Try to keep track of the shots on here, so when you're ready, just hit the red button. I got it recorded.
I'll push the red button for you.
Yeah, so these are 20s, right? I'll try 20s. So that was the hottest charge, so I know I'm fine. The pressure.
Yep, I mean, look at it.
Oh, that's nothing.
It's awesome.
That's awesome. Dude,
Sooty, but awesome.
yeah. And I wish I had the chronograph because this is supposed to be.
You got to remember, that's a stock GI trigger.
That's fine. That doesn't bother me. I'm not a lefty though.
Huh?
I'm not a lefty though. I'll try it.
No, move it over.
Okay.
That's why I started moving everything out of your way.
All right.
Oh yeah, your camera zoomed in nice.
Yeah. All right. Here's. Go ahead and start.
Okay, there it is.
All right. The 20 grains.
Go for the big one on the right.
Top right. I mean the bottom. The right. Right.
Yeah, keep moving the camera.
Okay. We're hot.
Damn it. My fat fingers keep moving it.
You ready?
Hang on one second. Go right ahead. I've never heard that gun go off from over here.
You can hear. You can feel the percussion.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, your muzzle brake's is doing his job. Keeping it away from you, but here's number 2.
Yeah. Is that right above the bull?
What was that?
Are you hitting him right above the bread?
Yeah. Yeah, it's all 12 o'clock right now. It opened up quite a bit though.
Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you.
Oh, no. It's yeah, so it's opening up, but it's working.
Yeah. When I put a better trigger in it, it'll be a lot better.
No, it's working good. It's got. I'm just stacking the trigger. I pull little by little until I feel it.
That's funny. My phone moves when you shoot.
Yeah. You see my ugly mug.
Yeah.
Well,
I
That-
just turned it off.
it's working good, Dima. Hey, man. Pretty happy. CFE Black, you recommended this, and it's working great. And we'll show you the results. Unfortunately, like I said, don't have a chronograph out. But
Yeah.
was that ceasefire? We'll be right back. I need to go back to the footage. Do you know what? Remember what these were?
18s.
The 18s or 18 5s, right?
Yeah, 18 5s.
And then these were,
19 5s.
or was it 25?
No, those were no, those were the 20 and a halves.
20 and a halves, and then I shot 20s right here.
Yep. Those were mine over there.
Yeah.
That's your 20 and a half. And this was the 19 and a half right there, Dima's bullets.
Gotcha. 19 and a half, 18 and a half, which gave the best group. That's let's see, 1, 2, 3. You got 3 in one hole right there, buddy.
There's 4.
4, yep, touching right there. So that's a good load, bud. I'll go back and chronograph it and see if I can duplicate the results. All right, we'll continue shooting. Be right back.
Woohoo! Yeah, guys. Go right ahead, buddy. Ooh, feeling the blast from that Crusader.
I told you, that thing's got a good break to it.
That's it for now. Just go ahead and say your name.
My name is Daniel Petrino from Modesto, California.
Woohoo! Just shot Victoria at my 300 blackout. What'd you think of it?
It was pretty good. Light shooting, light recoil. All around good gun.
Right on. Put your bag on.
Thanks.
I caught Eagle Eye shooting without his bag, his brass catcher. I had to teach him.
Well,
I'll pick him up for you, buddy.
you don't have to.
And there's no squealing today on this one, so you guys are gonna hear video.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
So, I believe I'm on the gas checks. These are the gas check ones now, so. Yep. So I'm gonna aim a different target now. These are gas checks. I'm gonna go for the left and see if there is a difference. Actually, I got one more. Let me count the round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more non-gas check, and then I'm gonna shoot 5 on the left side.
All right, I got you on video, buddy. And that's my lead sled. Yeah.
All right,
50
so
bucks at Bass Pro.
yeah, let's compare, see if gas checks help out. Here's
These are
the-
gas checks now?
Yep, 5 shots of gas check, same powder charge. Different point of aim. Forgot to zip my bag up, huh?
I noticed. I've been watching that.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yeah, out of battery.
Out of battery. Tight chambers. Go figure.
It happens.
This
It came out. Hopefully the bullet's not in there. Where's that casing?
If it did.
Bullet's in the chamber. The rod's in the back of your truck.
Alright.
We'll be back for technical difficulties, ladies and gentlemen.
Patriots?
Yes. I have. Are you a member?
Yes.
That's good.
I'm not as actively involved as I'd like to be.
Yeah.
I don't have a car right now, and they do all sorts of drives where they do the American flag and flags in the back and stuff. Once I get my car, I'll be more active though.
There you go. Way to go, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm just going to try to get a little more shooting in before we got to go. All right. We're filling Eagle Eye. Shoot away.
Yeah. I'm comparing your gas checks and non-gas checks. I'm on 17 grains, H110. So,
How are they looking? You
Well-
can't tell, huh? You got a red dot.
I know.
What target are you shooting at? Which one?
Top right.
Top right.
17 grains, no pressure signs.
Wow, dude. You're shooting good.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Those are non-gas checks right now. I'm on gas checks. These are going to be gas checks now.
I see 3 holes circling the dot.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to go for the bottom right now.
Okay,
Same
I'll
pat-
watch.
Yeah,
I'm
same
on
pattern.
safe.
17 grains. Let's see.
And these are gas checked?
These are the gas checked ones. So we'll see what happens.
Nine o'clock.
Damn it.
Same thing?
Battery.
Out of battery, or did
Nope.
you not load it?
Did not load. Had a mag wasn't seat all the way up.
Aha!
Nah.
That happened to me yesterday, or the day before.
Operator error.
Uh-oh.
Hold on. Amateur hour right now.
Damn it. Damn it, Janet.
Okay.
Nope.
That bullet's got pushed in.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Let's just skip that one.
It's a communist bullet. Same thing.
What's going on here? Maybe I have a case in there. Hold on.
Yep.
That's why. Double feed.
Double feed. Wah, wah, wah.
Let's see what that did.
Does it look okay?
Yeah.
It should. You've just been pushing those other bullets back a little bit,
Yeah, it's my bulk carrier. I have over 4,000 rounds down it.
do you?
Yeah, so it's starting to weaken up on the extractor.
Mine's a brand new Virgin.
Lucky.
I just got it.
Bottom right, here we go.
Okay, I'm watching. 10 o'clock,
Uh-oh.
right next to each other. Oh, that's a little farther out.
Huh.
12 o'clock next to the group,
Out.
and you're out.
So you're saying the non-gas checks are working?
If you shot the top right,
Yeah.
the non-gas check, you have your bull, you got one here, one there.
Wow.
The gas check. Okay, gas check. They're next to each other, within an inch,
Okay.
but they're on the left side.
I see.
Come take a look. Let me
Yeah.
empty this thing.
No, it's fine. Go ahead and shoot. We got 15 minutes, so.
No, it's empty. It's okay. Go ahead and take a look.
Wish I had a scope on my thing. Oh, wow.
You see those non-gas checks?
Yeah. That's your bullets too, dude.
They're smoking.
And then the gas checks. Ha!
They didn't like the gas checks.
They like the gas checks.
I'm glad my bullets are working out for you.
Those are good.
I'm happy.
All right.
Okay, I'm going back to Dima's. And these, like, 16.6.
16.6.
Woo!
Those are H110.
Goes in the battery good. All right. Let's see which one's clean. Upper right target's clean.
Upper right.
Me and my safety, man. What a moron I am.
I was going to say something, but
Damn. That's the third time today I've been squeezing on a trigger with a safety on.
that's fine. Wow.
Feel the
Yeah.
wind from that.
That's why I stepped back.
Watch my box. The wind will push it.
I have two
Okay.
and two in the same hole, two next to each other
The 16.
on the right side of the target.
And which load was that?
Those were the 16
H110.
H110.
I'll grab one.
1, 2, 3.
16.6. This is the one that gave me the best group.
There's 4. Okay. I only loaded 4. It scared me. I thought I had 5 in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the 16.6s you had laying on top right here.
Yesterday when we were shooting, that's what gave us the best. That was my best group.
Was it?
Mhm.
Not for me.
No, you just did right now. These shots right here,
Yeah.
the same powder charge as the one I shot yesterday that gave me the best group on Dima's bullets.
Yeah. Well, these are Dima's bullets, but they didn't do the best for me
Oh yeah.
through mine. I want to just double check something. I'm scared. I just want to look down my barrel.
Switch. Make sure. See daylight.
Daylight, and I don't see any lead at all. I see nothing but beautiful rifling.
That's right.
The first time I brought this out, I couldn't see the rifling at all.
Yeah. So when I tested a BHN, maybe a week and a half ago,
Yeah.
and the BHN on these bullets are at a 21 with the gas check, so they're pretty. They can take a good punch behind it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go back to those
Okay.
18.3s.
Yeah. So I'm happy that 18.5 was doing great.
Oh man, those shot great.
Yeah. So what I'm noticing is that since we both have the same barrel manufacturer, you just shot the 16.6 grains. I shot 16.5 yesterday or 2 days ago, and they both gave us the best groups. So
Yep.
hey, low development for me and Willie. It looks like we're gonna be the same.
And leads are working.
And the leads are working.
I might have to buy this RCBS mold.
Yeah, if it's working for him. My only thing about mine is my chamber's a little tighter, so it's
Yeah,
not
that's the weird thing is being the same barrel.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
really weird.
I don't know if you can see that. Where's the camera? You can see where the chamber was taking off the
Powder coating.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. Figure something out. It's working for Willie though.
Yeah, I don't know why it's working for mine and not his,
Yeah.
but it's nothing in his chamber. We checked. So he just, unfortunately, the manufacturer just gave him a real tight chamber. So, like I said, we like it tight, but not that tight. And it went right in the battery again.
Yep.
So it's not his load. Pardon me. His load isn't bad. You know, Eagle Eye loaded it great, and the bullet's working. It's just, don't know.
10 minutes, right?
Which matters?
Oh, we're doing video for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You want to join?
You want to be on the video? Come say hi. Say your name.
Get popular.
I don't want to outshoot you guys on tape.
Oh, come
I
here.
know.
No,
You're a
I'm just
gorgeous guy.
bullshitting.
Come on.
No, no,
Come on. Put your name. Say your name.
that's okay.
He's our range master. He's just a little embarrassed. He doesn't want to get behind the gun, but that's okay.
He's afraid the ladies might get to
He's
him.
afraid all the ladies. Plus, he lives here on the range, and I think his wife might get a little mad if the ladies like them. So, all right, guys, here we go again.
Now, this
These
is,
are 18.3 H110.
18.3 or 18s?
It says 18.3.
Okay.
Oh no, she's dying. Yep. Oh no, I just got to push the wrong button. Ladies and gentlemen, my phone's dying too, but we'll get a few more shots in. Okay, going for the dead center, and I'm gonna bring it down some more. Up, down. Let's see what that does. That was a big crank.
I do not. No problem.
Wow. I just saw nothing but metal, a big old fireball.
Does he reload this stuff?
270 Windbag? Yeah, he's got that.
I wouldn't trust it. Well, not that there's nothing
no.
wrong with it, but you know,
Yeah.
a reloader can take it apart.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to debuild these things.
Remanufacturers won't like it.
I'll take the brass. I need 30-06. Not going to 30-06.
That's 30-06.
Well,
Huh?
it's 270, but it's the same brass.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they didn't shoot that good for me. They're on target, but they didn't shoot that good. You got some 270s?
I got 270 right here.
Right on.
Hey.
Hey,
It's a good day.
that's a good day. I got a pocket full of 223, which I have lots of.
Okay.
But-
So we're on the, we don't find an accuracy note around 18 grains.
Yeah,
So there's 18.3.
it worked for me, but it not that great. Maybe it might be the H110.
Yeah.
My gun might like the CF Black.
The CFE Black's doing a lot better.
Real fast, I'm gonna put some of these jackets through. I'm gonna set my scope for these jackets before we run out of time.
Right, yeah, and we're good here. What I'll do is I'll go home and I'll re-verify.
How much time do we have?
About 8 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Storm's rolling in, that's for sure. You can see the...
Yeah, you can feel the barometric pressure drop. Okay, these are 18.5 grains of H110 and a 110 grain Sierra bullet. Went in the battery. So now I'm going to be playing with my scope to set it where I want it for these jacketed. Because I'm not going to always have his lead to shoot, so I want to set this scope while I'm here.
I'll send him a bunch.
Oh, boy. 7 more.
7 more minutes? Yes, sir.
All right.
Is he still doing the blackout?
Oh, yeah. Found one out there?
So this stuff ain't here?
That's 2 3, but we'll take it if you want.
Okay. Well, ours got shit.
This is all muddy people throw away, man.
Is it? I don't know. I mean, hell, I don't have.
I mean, you can always turn it in. They won't give you much because they call it dirty brass, but
No, they don't.
if you melt it down and make a brass ingot, oh yeah.
Oh,
that's
yeah,
different story.
yeah. Then you'll get big shit.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a couple there. There's one, 2 there. There ain't shit down there. I already looked when I come over here last time.
Yeah. You can smell the powder coat burning. Got a nice little sweet smell to it. Yeah.
I love that smell. I don't throw it anybody.
Smell the powder? Oh yeah.
I love the smell of that powder.
Hey, it's a therapeutic smell.
Good, good. All right, guys, get over
Oh,
there
my
with
God.
those bastard rifles and big ass bolts and boom.
This scope is set, ladies and gentlemen,
Really? Zeroed out? 100
and I
yards.
want him to see through this scope what I just did
Whoa.
with these 110 grain bullets. It's a little jagged hole, but it's a big hole. Go ahead, take a look, my friend.
Yes, sir. Let's
Left,
see.
left target.
Left target. That's that target. Okay, wrong one.
The large left one.
Wow.
Is that a nice hole?
Yeah, I take that.
I'll take that any day, buddy.
Yeah, you're zeroed out. That's good.
For 50 yards, it's 0 for pig.
All right. Well, we're happy. Got some
I'm
good load
super
development
happy.
down. 18.5 is what I'm gonna try out when I get home.
You want to
Yeah.
shoot some more of this?
Oh no, we have a little. We don't have that much time, so I think we'll wrap it up, man. I think we're
Yeah, I'm
get some-
starting to bag up right now.
yeah. Alrighty.
Today's been a great day, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
For a number 2,
Shooting all
today was great.
Cool. I'm happy.
Okay, Kenny, let's get together. Okay, for our last day of shooting together, for this week at least, today was a great day. Put yours on. The people are still shooting.
I'm sorry.
I don't want you to go deaf like me. So I gotta take care of my bud. Look at no brass catcher, no ears.
Yeah. I'm not-
Jeez, what's going on?
It's been a while since I've actually been on the range with.
Absolutely.
People, so
But this is Eagle Eye Shooter, Willie the Bullet Man, and we're out of here.
yeah.